This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Yvette Doherty. Commercial opportunity with Prime US1 Frontage. Rarely available 1,948 square feet. CBS Commercial building featuring a solid concrete roof and versatile open floor plan. Benefit from high visibility on US1 and convenient dual access from both US1 and the Old Highway. Includes 3 dedicated front parking spaces with additional parking in the rear, accessible via the Old Highway. For more information, review the details below.